Riven. Adjective. Formal. Riven, adjective.
इख्तिलाफ राय की वजह से तकसीम हुआ, खास तौर पर पुरतशद्दुद तरीके से। फटा हुआ, टूटा हुआ, शिकस्ता।
Divided into pieces or factions. 1. By/with something, of a group of people, divided because of disagreements, especially in a violent way.
किसी चीज के जरिया लोगों के एक ग्रुप का इख्तिलाफ राय की वजह से तकसीम हुआ, खास तौर पर पुरतशद्दुद तरीके से।
2. By/with something, of an object, divided into 2 or more pieces.
किसी चीज के साथ किसी चीज का 2 या ज्यादा टुकड़ों में तकसीम।
Examples. 1. A riven nation. 2. A party riven by internal disputes. 3. The wood was riven with deep cracks. 4. His heart was riven with sorrow as he saw how small Amanda looked in the bed. 5. The 4 provinces are riven by deep family and tribal conflicts. 6. It was a community/nation/family riven by jealousy, hatred, and bitterness. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.